Good afternoon, everyone. Before we begin, let me start by explaining that what we are presenting today is our final project for the wireless and mobile programming course. For this final project, our group decided to develop a mobile-based application, and the project we chose in is Attendance application. And now let me introduce the member of our group is Susi Septiani Febriana, Fadel Galan, Franciscus Alexander, and me, Aura Mazel. So, so let's begin with the background. Attention is something we all deal with, whether in school or at work. But manual attention, like signing paper sheet, can be slow, messy, and easy to lose. Since mobile technology is now widely available, we wanted to build a digital attention solution that's faster, safer, and more convenient. That's why we create this attention app using Android Studio, but with Java and XML. So we identified quite five main issues with the traditional attention process. The first one, it is inefficient and slow. So secondly, data can be lost or damaged. So the third is recapping attention take, take times. So fourth, human errors happen often. There is no real-time access to attention history. So our main goal, we are two. The first one is build an app that's simple and easy to use. So the secondly, there is reduce manual error. So the third is store identity data digital art. So the fourth is let users submit identity directly from their phones. So the last provide a history page to check previous attention. Overall, our aim was to make attention quicker and efficient. So next explanation is with Fadil Galan. The time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the project scope. On the left side, these are the features included in the project. Our application provides an attendance form where a user can input their name, subject, and status. All data is stored using Firebase or SQLite. The application also includes an attendance history page, activity, navigation using intents, and user interface that is fully built using XML layouts. On the right side, these are the features that are not included in this project. This project does not implement a complex admin login system, GPS-based present, automatic notification, or a graphical analyst dashboard. These features are outside the current project scope. In the next slide, application workflow. Here is the workflow of the application. First, the user opens the application, then they fill in the attendance form, including their name, subject, and attendance status. After that, the user presses the Submit Attendance button. The data will then be saved automatically into the database. Finally, users can view their attendance history on the history page. This workflow ensures that the process is simple, clear, and easy to follow. And the next slide, application features. These are the main features of our application. First, the application provides a form for attendance input. Second, it supports saving attendance data into the database. And third, user can view their attendance history. And fourth, the app includes smooth navigation between pages. And lastly, the interface is designed to be simple and responsive, ensuring a comfortable user experience. Overall, These features makes our application straightforward and efficient for managing attendance data. So the next slide, my groupmate will explain it. Franciscus,
These are the
time is yours.
expected output of our group project. The present application is running successfully, and the data is stored securely in Firebase or SQLite. The application met all the requirements of the assignment. Next slide. And in conclusion, the Presency application can help make the attendant recording process faster, more efficient, and more accurate. By utilizing Android Studio, Java, and a digital database, this application can be used as a modern solution to replace manual attendance methods. And next would be the application demo by Susi.
Okay, thank you guys for your explanation. So now I will demonstrate the application. Okay. So before I will demonstrate, I will explain little bit the script explanation for main activity Java. This activity serve as the main input form for the student app attendance apps. It allows users to enter their name, subject, attendance status, and optional notes. The data is then saved into shared preference as attendance history. In here there are six. The first few initialization in here there are three: edit text for name, subject, and notes. There are checkbox for present and execute, and button for submit and view history. These components are connected using find view by ID and insight on create. So the number 2, exclusive checkbox logic. The method setup checks box ensure that only one status can be selected at a time. When the user check present, the execute check become unchecked automatically and vice versa. And Boolean good issue updating checkbox prevent recursive callback. Number 3, submitting attendance. When the user tap submit, there are 4 function or number 1, the app validate require file name and subject. Number 2, if both are filed, the app determines the attendance status, present, execute, and absent default if no box is checked. And number 3, a message summarizing the attendance is displayed using those. And number 4, the form is clear for new input. Next, saving to local database. The method save to history stores its attendance entry inside share preference using the key history. Number 5, viewing attendance history. The View History button opens another activity called History Activity using an intent. And the last, clearing form. After successful submission to the method, clear form reset all input files and unchecks both checkbox. Okay, next I will explain for the XML. This XML layout is used to create the student attendance from screen in an Android application. The structure consists of several main sections. Number 1, scroll view. Number 2, main linear layout. Number 3, from title. And number 4, from card. This is the main section where user fill in the attendance details. It includes edit text, autocomplete text view, to checkbox, edit text note, and submit attendance button to save the data. And the last, view attendance history button, a separate button below the form that opens the page displaying the list of previously submitted attendance records. So now I will run the code. Wait.
Susie. Alright, that's the end of our presentation and the live demo of our Attentive app. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen and watch demonstration. We hope our project was clear, easy to understand. That's all from our group. Have a great day and thank you very much for your attention.